basically I'm going to show you guys how you can make a nice lovely weight loss recipe, weight loss smoothie. You can have it for breakfast, and also you can have it for lunch or evening snack. All right, so we're going to jump straight into it, and I'm gonna simply share some of the ingredients which I'm going to be using. So the first ingredients is going to be pineapple. All right, so I'm going to be using some pineapple because pineapple is very good in weight loss, and I will encourage you guys to give that a try at home. So pineapple, that's the first ingredients. All right, pineapple, ripe banana. I love my ripe banana, and I'm going to put some ripe banana also inside of it like this. Lovely. I got some spinach. I'm gonna put some spinach inside of it. Lovely. And secondly, I'm just gonna put a piece of a ginger. They don't have to use I think, let's see if I believe I have some fresh. Now I got some grounded ginger, which I'm gonna be using. So right here, I'm gonna be using some wake up my ginger powder inside of it. Alright, then also we're gonna put a pinch of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very good, guys. A lot of people doesn't use the apple cider vinegar. So right there, that looking good so far. I got a few ingredients I like to use. All right, I've got some flaxseed powder. I'm gonna put some flaxseed powder inside of it. And we got some oats. This is organic oats. Put 2 tablespoons inside it. That is lovely, guys. All right. So if you can see exactly what I just did, all right, we got pineapple, ripe banana, and we got the oats, we got the flaxseed, and we got some spinach inside of it. So that's beautiful. That's very, very simple recipe for you guys to have in the morning, you know, for breakfast. All right. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be using some almond milk inside of it. All right, instead of using water. So I'm gonna use roughly about a cup of almond milk inside of it. Lovely. So hope you guys will like this. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, now the beautiful thing we're gonna do is we're gonna blend it and see how it come out. All right, let's blend this. So we're gonna make a little bit of a noise. Let's see, guys can see. All right, look, let's blend. Lovely. So just for you guys to see how this look. Here it is, and that's how it look right here. Beautiful smoothie. and it's something different. All right, that is lovely, guys, honestly. So right here, we're gonna pour this into this cup. But take a good look. Now, to be honest with you, you can have this for breakfast in the morning, 100%, guys. All right, and it is so beautiful and so nice and so simple, and I know you guys definitely will enjoy this and an amazing, incredible smoothie recipe. And to be honest with you guys, you can make this at any time you want to make it. All right, but if you like the recipe, the most important thing I would encourage you guys to do is to just leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. All right, so if you do like this kind of smoothie, please let me know and I will definitely make them for you, 100%. All right, the same ingredients, the pineapple and the spinach. I will put some information in the description box where you guys can also read upon the information in the description box. Now, to be honest with you, you can drink this for a healthy breakfast smoothie for weight loss, and it's also very good in the morning after you drink a nice lovely hot cup of lemon tea. I would encourage you guys to give this a try at home. With the spinach is very healthy. Spinach is very good for you. Banana is very good for you. Pineapple is very good. Play a nice role in weight loss also. And ginger, very, very good also. All right. The upper side of vinegar going to mix the different inside of it also. So I will encourage you guys to try the apple cider vinegar also inside of it. If you do like, I know it's already sweet because of the banana and the pineapple which I'm already used, I would encourage you to if you want, you can put a little bit of organic honey inside of it. I didn't put any organic honey because I know the banana and the pineapple is very sweet. All right, and the almond milk is unsweetened almond milk. But I would encourage you to use, if you got fresh ginger, you can use fresh ginger. I didn't put any lemon inside of it because I put apple cider vinegar inside of it. But if you like, you can put some lemon. All right. But thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you guys take the time, watch the video, and sharing the support, taking the time, and sharing the love. I really appreciate it 100%. All right. So without any further, we're just gonna close the show, and I say thank every one of you guys who take the time and supporting the show. I really appreciate it 100%. All right. So I will see you guys with more recipes and more ideas from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Bye bye.